how you guys doing today? I hope everyone doing good. Today I'm going to making chicken wings too, guys. This is all the recipe I have to use. I have to use 7 pieces of garlic and some of ginger. And this is 2 pounds of chicken wings, guys. I have to put it in the container first. And I'm going to cut the garlic small pieces first, guys. Okay, just like that is good enough. And I'm going to put the garlic on the chicken. And the ginger I'm going to cut it small pieces first. Okay, just like that, good enough, guys. And I'm going to put all the ginger on the chicken. And I'm going to add teaspoon of white pepper. And teaspoon of coriander. Tablespoon sesame oil, teaspoon beef flavor, and 150 milliliter soy sauce. Put all of them on the chicken. I'm going to add teaspoon of salt. Mix it well first, guys. And after that, have to leave it for 15 minutes. Let all the spices go inside the chicken, guys. I'm going to put some oil right now. Okay, it's good enough. I'm going to put all the chicken in. And right now I'm going to add 1 can of Coke, guys. I'm going to put all of them on the chicken. And I'm going to add 7 pieces of green onions. I cut it big pieces like that. I'm going to put it on the top on the chicken. And cover it with until boil first, guys. Okay, it's boiling right now. I'm going to stir it first so in the bottom doesn't stick. I'm going to cover it again right now and cook it for 40 minutes with medium heat, guys. Okay, it's cooked already right now, but I'm going to mix it first because all the spices in the bottom. I want the chicken get all the spices, guys. Okay, guys, all done. Dinner time. And I'm going to eat it with the rice. I love eat chicken with the rice, guys. Let me try the chicken first right now. And get some rice too. This is from outside, guys. It's very juicy. The inside is cooked perfectly. It's not sweet at all. The chicken taste, it tastes so delicious, guys. If you guys never have it before, please try, okay? And thank you so much, guys, for watching. And I will see you next Friday. Thank you, guys, and have a great weekend. Bye, guys.